In today's video, you're gonna see how I work with my student Ernest, and we specifically worked on grip, backswing delay, and transition through the bow to make his OQ action smoother. Okay, more power through. More power through. Better, but not good enough. Less power, but follow through with full backswing. Okay? Much better. Again, just slight delay. Don't hold too much. It's not good. Release. Backswing through half a second. Much better way. Half a second delay should make a job done. Stay still. Hit. Perfect. And half a second delay. One. Release. Well done. So you saw the first part. I was focusing on two-finger grip. Especially this is going to be beneficial for those who feel really tight in their grip. For the beginner intermediate players, try out, play soft shots, aim low, and that's gonna make you feel a bit different than you usually do. And once you come back to normal, which you need to do afterwards with all the fingers, you're gonna have more reaction just by doing this with two-finger grip for 10 minutes or less, like up to 5 minutes. It's gonna have impact to your normal grip because you're gonna feel that you need to hold lighter. Q-tip has to point downwards. Down. Oh yeah, finally. Good. Backswing important, and cue delivery, how should be done. So you don't want to be quick backswing, quick delivery. This is no good because then you over accelerate. And then if you do a backswing and you hold here too long, you almost start your cue action from zero, and then you also gonna over accelerate. So that motion, slow backswing, slight delay half a second and get through, it's good and beneficial for most people. Don't be too analytical, just have a slight hold and hit through the bow, and you will notice lots of reaction through the bow once you get through. You're gonna get lots of backspin or topspin, whatever shot you decide to play. In next tutorial, I will explain bad ways to use your cue action, which doesn't work for most players, so you need to avoid them. And I'm just gonna show you recommendations what you can do to achieve a proper cue action in more detail. So stay tuned. And if you like this video, just make sure to subscribe it, hit notifications if you want to see more, and see you soon. Take care.